If Pixlr is showing a page not found error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is usually caused by a browser issue, a bad cache file, an extension conflict, or a network routing problem, and the good news is you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to force a hard refresh. Sometimes your browser saves old or corrupted data, and that can make a website load incorrectly or show a fake error message. To do this on Windows, simply press Ctrl and F5 on your keyboard at the same time. This tells the browser to skip the local copy and load a completely fresh version of the page from the website server. After you do that, wait a moment and see if Pixlr opens normally. If the issue is still there, the next thing to try is Incognito Mode. This is a great way to check whether a browser extension, cookie, or saved setting is blocking the site. In Google Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together to open a private window. Then go to the official Pixlr website, which is pixlr.com. If Pixlr works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is causing the problem. At that point, start turning off extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy blockers, script blockers, or security tools that may interfere with the page loading properly. After disabling one extension, refresh the site and test it again. Keep narrowing it down until you find the one causing the conflict. Now let's move on to clearing cookies and cache. Old or broken browser data can cause websites to behave strangely, especially if a page was updated recently or a saved session became corrupted. In Chrome, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the browser window, then select Clear Browsing Data. In the time range menu, choose All Time so you fully remove the old data. Then check the boxes for cookies and cached images and files. Once that's selected, click the blue Clear Data button. After the cleanup finishes, go back to Pixlr and try loading the site again. If you're still seeing the page not found message, the problem may be on your network side. The next fix is to flush your DNS, which clears bad website routing paths saved on your Windows computer. To do this, click the Windows Start menu and type CMD to search for command prompt. Open it and then type ipconfig, then a space, then /flush DNS. Press enter on your keyboard. This clears the network routing cache and can fix websites that are not resolving properly. Once that's done, close command prompt, restart your browser, and try Pixlr again. In many cases, one of these 4 steps will solve the problem completely. If the site still does not load, you may also want to check your internet connection, restart your router, or try loading the page on a different device or network to see whether the issue is local or on Pixlr's side. If this tutorial helped you fix the Pixlr page not found error, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.